Timmy and Lilly were best friends in a small village. They explored the magical forest near their village. One sunny afternoon, they discovered a sparkling path. The path led to an enormous tree with a hidden door. Timmy knocked, and the door slowly creaked open. Inside, they met a wise old owl named Oliver. They learned about the Enchanted Kingdom's danger. The sparkle stone was stolen by a gnome, Grizzle. Timmy and Lilly set off to find Grizzle. Giggly fairies and talking flowers joined the quest. They met a gentle giant named Hugo, too. Finally, they found Grizzle's hidden lair. With courage, they outsmarted Grizzle and retrieved the stone. Returning the stone restored the kingdom's magic. Grateful creatures threw a celebration for them. With magic and teamwork, they could overcome any challenge.